Hello beautiful people. So today I'm just jumping in today as I'm putting my skincare to talk to you guys about this lip balm. If you remember, I bought this a few days ago and I just want to talk to you guys about it. Todd, do you need something?
Yes, can you please put on the mosquito cream? Because
okay guys, just give me a second. Todd had a mosquito bite this morning, 2 mosquito bites, so I'm gonna give her this cream. This is what happened as a mother. You always gotta have your kids. So I'm gonna use this to put this cream on.
Okay.
Make my hand dirty. Okay.
Number one.
Okay, just put it here. You have to wash it off before you put it.
Oh.
It's gonna put on top of the bleeding. Okay, so guys, so Tara woke up with a mosquito bite. It's summer, it's hot, so anyway, so this lip balm, I like it, but I don't really like it. I like it because it says that it has vitamin E in it. That's the main reason when I bought it. But I feel like when I put it on my lips, it doesn't really melt. Like it stays in, like it's like so thick. I love it because it has vitamin E in there, which is good. But I feel like it doesn't really melt as much. I mean, I only use it twice. So far I feel as, you know, maybe I can use this at night. If you have this, let me know in the comment below, or if you have a lip butter, let me know in the comment below how do you like it. Because for me, I feel like this will be more like a nighttime thing that I'll put before I go to sleep to moisturize my lips. So this is why I'm using today. I'm gonna put it on and let's see if it's gonna be better. But the first day when I used it, I really didn't like it. So let me know in the comment below. I just jumped in today. It's so hot. I just jumped in today to, you know, talk to you guys about this, and I'm gonna try to show you a little bit of my makeup routine as the day goes. I hope you guys enjoying this video. If you did, please put the like button, subscribe, share, and see you on the next video. Bye.